This is the unboxing and first impression of the FoodSaver Model 4400. It's the vacuum sealer system. I'm going to use it for long and short-term food storage. So let's take a look. Like sheets, you know, the bags for the food. Instruction manual. It's like a quick start guide. Okay, I'm going to take a break while I read the instruction manual. Be right back. It says flip the lid to get started. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of simplified instructions right inside the lid, so if you don't want to read the manual, this is a good shortcut. Okay, the first thing they ask you to do is learn the different buttons, and they have a chart for that. Next, the first operation you do is to turn on the power. Green lights come on. But they have to select the food type. They have moist and dry, and I'll be doing dry rolled oats, so I'll select the dry, which is on the left green LED. Okay, I'm going to seal 3 packages of 1 pound spaghettis. So we lift up the cover. We unroll the right amount here for the length of the spaghetti. So it's about that much, and get a couple more inches so we can seal it okay. So now we cut it. And then we seal one end. Okay, so that was sealed. Now we put the spaghetti in the open end over the vacuum packet, and I'm going to throw in a oxygen absorber in there too. Now, to make sure the spaghetti or the oxygen absorber gets into the spaghetti, I impact it and cut the ends off. I'll put 3 of these in here. Throw in a appropriate size oxygen absorber. Throw the oxygen absorber in there. Flat. Now we're ready to seal it. Okay, so it's sealed that. Red light goes on. Pull it out. Now that thing is hard as a brick. It's got the oxygen absorber in there, so we're set. Thank you. Okay, so here's the finished product. It's vacuum sealed and it's got a oxygen absorber in there. You know, when it's packed like that, it's like a brick. It's hard and well protected. Some people like to add another level of protection by putting it in a Mylar bag also. So I think I like to do. You can either put the Mylar bag in it and then for further protection against vermin or insects, I like to put it into a plastic bucket and it keeps out all the pests and stuff. So good long-time solution. So there you have it. It's a really good food preserver and I'm very happy with it. Thank you.